You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
Hey, I'm gonna get you, bro. You better stop. Oh, I'm gonna get you, bro. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, don't reach. Oh. Ow. Ow. Stop. 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 Is that a gun? Stop. Stop. Shots fired. Drop the gun. Oh, I dropped it. I dropped it. Oh, stop. Stop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, don't reach.
Hey, Greg, they came from that car?
Hey, get on the fucking ground! County in foot pursuit. Cops 12. Hey, gun! Drop the gun! Gun the gun! You got a gun, Connor! Stop! Yeah, drop! Drop it! Drop the gun!
I dropped it. Oh, stop.
Get on your back!
Stop.
Come towards me!
Stop.
Come over here now!
Call ambulance. You
good? Yeah. You alright? Yeah.
Call ambulance. I'm sorry.
He's on his back. Hey, you want to drop it? Come towards me! Come towards me right now! Come towards me! Get away from the gun! Hey, don't reach! Let me see your hands! The gun is behind him. Is it? The gun is behind him. Yeah, we gotta render aid. Cover us here, Greg. You cover? Hey, don't move! Don't move! Grab the gun. Can I cover you with my FedEx? We got a white male, multiple gunshot wounds. NSD, we got the guns here.